This is the Hampton Bay vinyl blinds. This is the 1" in white. You can use it for room darkening, and it is 51" in width and 48" in height, and it's cordless. These are the materials, the items you need, and instructions are included in the box as well. So for this blinds, you just need to do a couple more assemblies as they came in assembled. Just as you see, I'll have to just attach the end caps. You will have to place them in as the edges are really sharp. And there are 3 brackets that you will have to attach to the wall. What I'm doing is the outside mount. So as soon as you've attached the 3 brackets, the mounting brackets, you should be able to mount your blind very easily. This is actually very easy mount. You just have to push it in, listen to the click, and then once you're done, since there's no unnecessary cords, all you need to do is pull it down, and you can just close it or open it with the 1-in-1 stem that is included, that you also just attach. And just finishing up the end caps, so to make sure that you're not gonna get hurt with the sharp edges. Otherwise, that's